Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Porsche 911 versus Lamborghini. We'll explore what makes each brand unique, from their design philosophies to their driving dynamics. The Porsche 911 is renowned for its precision engineering and everyday practicality, while Lamborghini is celebrated for its raw power and exotic flair. We'll delve into their performance metrics, handling characteristics, and overall ownership experience to help you decide which supercar truly suits your style. When it comes to design, the Porsche 911 boasts a timeless silhouette, subtly evolving its classic lines. Lamborghini, on the other hand, embraces a bold, futuristic aesthetic with sharp angles and dramatic presence. Driving a 911 offers a sophisticated and engaging experience, perfect for both spirited drives and daily commutes. A Lamborghini delivers an unadulterated rush, with its powerful engine and aggressive handling making every journey an event. For practicality, the Porsche 911 often surprises with its everyday usability, featuring small rear seats and decent storage for a sports car. Lamborghini, while exhilarating, prioritizes performance over convenience, offering minimal cargo space and strictly two-seater configurations. In terms of price, a new Porsche 911 typically starts around $100,000, while a new Lamborghini usually begins at over $200,000, reflecting their distinct market positions. Choosing between a Porsche 911 and a Lamborghini often comes down to personal preference and lifestyle. The 911 offers a versatile range, from comfortable cruisers to track-focused machines, appealing to a broad audience. Lamborghini delivers an unparalleled sense of occasion and exclusivity, perfect for those seeking ultimate drama. Whichever you choose, both promise an extraordinary driving experience. Don't forget to check the description for links to these amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.